Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data on Xbox. First, let's dive into understanding your console's data usage. You can easily access this information by going to your Xbox dashboard, then navigating to Settings, and finally selecting Network Settings. From there, choose Bandwidth Usage to see a comprehensive overview of how much data your Xbox has consumed. This initial step is crucial for gaining control over your internet usage and identifying any unexpected spikes. Once you're in the Bandwidth Usage menu, you'll find detailed statistics on your data consumption. You can track your usage over various periods, such as daily, weekly, or even monthly. This allows you to pinpoint exactly which games or apps are the biggest data hogs. For instance, a large game update might consume several gigabytes. If your internet plan has a data cap, keeping a close eye on these figures can help you avoid overage charges and manage your online activities more effectively. To optimize your data usage, consider adjusting your Xbox settings. You can prevent automatic game updates and downloads, choosing instead to schedule them for off-peak hours or when you have ample data. Playing offline or single-player games significantly reduces your online data footprint. When streaming video through your Xbox, opt for lower resolutions like 720 pixels instead of 4K, which can consume up to 7 gigabytes per hour. These small adjustments can make a big difference. For advanced data management, consider using an external hard drive for your game installations. This prevents re-downloading large game files if you ever need to reset your console. Also, disable background app refresh for apps you aren't actively using, as they can consume data without your knowledge. Finally, regularly clearing your Xbox's cache can help maintain optimal performance and prevent any unusual data spikes. By following these tips, you'll be a master of your Xbox data usage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.